Imagine you have a brilliant idea for a website. You want a platform that's not only user-friendly but also customizable to your exact needs. What if I told you there's a tool that can do both and more? Today, we're diving into the world of Notion and exploring a question that might have crossed your mind. Can you actually use Notion as a website? Notion is a popular note-taking app known for its versatility. It's a digital workspace where you can organize your thoughts, projects, and tasks. But can it also be a platform for showcasing your work to the world? Exploring the possibilities, let's break down the potential benefits of using Notion as a website. Customization. Notion offers a high degree of customization, allowing you to create a website that reflects your unique style and branding. You can choose from various templates or start from scratch, tailoring every element to your preferences. Organization. Notion's organizational features can be a game changer for website content. You can create databases to manage your blog posts, products, or services. These databases can then be linked to your website pages, making it easy to keep everything updated and organized. Collaboration. If you're working with a team, Notion's collaborative features can streamline your workflow. Multiple people can contribute to your website content, and you can track changes and comments to ensure everyone is on the same page. Accessibility. Notion websites can be easily accessible to people with disabilities. The platform offers features like dark mode, text-to-speech, and keyboard navigation, making it easier for users with visual or motor impairments to navigate your site. Practical examples. To give you a better idea of what Notion can do, let's explore some practical examples. Personal blogs. Notion can be a great platform for creating personal blogs. You can use databases to organize your posts, add tags and categories, and embed images and videos. Portfolios. If you're a designer, developer, or artist, Notion can be used to showcase your work. You can create pages for your projects, add descriptions, and include links to your portfolio items. E-commerce stores. While Notion may not have all the bells and whistles of a dedicated e-commerce platform, you can still use it to create a basic online store. You can create databases for your products, add pricing information, and include a checkout process. Knowledge bases. If you need a place to store and share knowledge within your team or organization, Notion can be a great option. You can create databases for frequently asked questions, tutorials, and other resources. Challenges and limitations. While Notion offers many benefits as a website platform, it's important to be aware of its limitations. Design constraints. While Notion provides a high degree of customization, it may not be as flexible as a dedicated website builder when it comes to complex design elements. Performance. If your website has a lot of traffic or multimedia content, Notion's performance may be affected. SEO. While Notion offers basic SEO features, it may not be as powerful as dedicated website platforms when it comes to optimizing your site for search engines. So, can you use Notion as a website? The answer is yes, but it depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a flexible, customizable, and collaborative platform, Notion can be a great option. However, if you require advanced design features or high levels of performance, you may want to consider other options. If you're interested in exploring Notion as a website platform, I encourage you to check out their website and sign up for a free account. You can start experimenting with templates, creating pages, and seeing if it's the right fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to using Notion as a website.